Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Stripe on Shopify. So to do this is pretty simple. So to enable Stripe on Shopify is pretty simple. Head on to your settings. From your settings, go to your payment. Once you have located your payment, you will have to add payment method. So here, Stripe, just search it up right here. But unfortunately, it's not available in my country. And as of now, I remember that in Shopify, most people don't have it in their country or Stripe is not compatible anymore with Shopify. But once we see in the future that Stripe is available, we will have a future update for you guys. So right now it's not available, but it depends on the country that you live in, but it might be available. So just go check it out in your payment method and it might be there. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.